individuals, top of the morning to you. Today we came in the Global English Institute for organizing such a special occasion. So today we will cook ourselves. So let's start. What you are making today?
Today we are making chow mein.
Oh, that's great. And you can see everyone is working individually. This is chow mein maker.
আমরা কার বাড়ি আইলাম গো দয়া
Hey
মায়া
Hisabu, how
নাই
do you feel?
এগো
I'm
আমরা
feeling
কপালে
good. Okay. Hey guys. So please share with us what type of ingredients do you need for making this item? Well, for making this dough, especially we use different kinds of ingredients like oil, water, and the main ingredient is the flour, which is really necessary for making this dough, and as well as we use some egg. So that's all the ingredient which we used in this dough. Thank you. Working individually.
we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do. Today, এই পর্যন্তই।
Actually, whatever I will tell about the food, I don't think that it will be enough. You know, this is the first time that I'm having this kind of snacks on the top of the board, and I would like to inform you that I never have this kind of food on the top of the board. So definitely, it's such a great thing, great feeling as well. So I'm feeling all over the world, and I'm really to the Global English Institute for giving us this kind of opportunities and this kind of facilities as well. So this is really great thing from my perspective. Thank you.